Hello folks, today we are doing a inspection of a car wash, and what I wanted to share with you is that we got this steel. Some of the things we're looking for is structural, naturally, and you see on my steel beam up here it's been cut out. Well, this is an I-beam, and of course naturally if you cut an I-beam out that's designed to be there, you have just lost your structural integrity. But now, because we know that we've had a problem, we've actually stuck this post in the center here. It's a wooden post, and as you can see, it's rotted at the bottom here, but not so bad as being that, but it's just not secure. So it could be easily bumped out, and you can see going to the top, it's the same thing. It's not safe. It's not secured to the beam. It should be the beam. So let's just kind of wander on down here. This is just a little bit of what we're looking at. And I got some little bit of lighting issues, a little electrical, no big deal. We also got a burnt, see that? We've overheated our outlets, that's all burnt, that's unsafe. This whole building's got some electrical issues though, we were tending to. But you can see my rack, or brings in the cars that goes through for the wash, it's all gone now. But you can also see that we have to support our garage door open, so the garage door is not working, but that's still not a big deal. These others are my primary concern. And you see we're looking at my HVAC air handler system, and this is an old 1993 unit, so it's well past its life expectancy. And of course you can look at it, and of course you can see right there some of my wiring is exposed. Crazy stuff, man, crazy stuff. And of course my conduit here is missing, so we don't have anything coming through here. Look at my electrical box. This is not even safe. Half of the breakers are missing. We got knockouts missing. Well, these are some of the things that you want to be looking at when you're doing some of these inspections. This building's pretty rough. But anyway, folks, thank you for watching. Give us a call, Galloway Building Services. If we could ever be of a service to you, inspect your building, whether it be commercial, residential, or construction, give us, oh, look at that. Oh my stars, come on. Bare wire, open up. Oh, and look at that. Look at that. Oh my stars, see that? The wire's just hanging on the floor. Oh, hope that's not hot. Anyway, give us a call, Galloway Building Services. Hey, follow us on Facebook, follow us on YouTube, Rumble, hit like and follow. That way you're up to date on all of the newest videos that we put out. Try to put them out a couple of times a week, and you'll enjoy it and you'll learn a ton. Thank you, and have a great day. Galloway Building Services. We're here to serve you.